iPhone 15 is going to be released soon in a few months. Everyone is waiting for this upcoming masterpiece as it is getting a lot of new features for the first time in the history of iPhones. Everyone is talking about iPhone 15 and its upcoming features, but no one is talking about its cons. The cons which will make the iPhone 15 fail. Yes, iPhone 15 will fail. But why? Its old camera design? No. Its battery drainage issue? No. Then what are the possible reasons behind its failure? Let's find out. Wait, if your iPhone's charger is slow, you probably need a new one with fast charging speed. And of course it's wireless, like who uses wired chargers today? Moreover, you don't need to remove your back cover for charging. You can charge your phone with your back cover on. It's fast, it's safe with temperature control, and it is cool. Also, get an amazing discount on this product, so check the link in the description below. So let's get back and check why iPhone 15 will fail. There are probably many reasons, but the most important reason no one is talking about is Siri.
Something went wrong. Please try again.
Siri, when released, was like magic. Everyone was like, wow, an AI assistant that can do anything. It was a revolution. Apple was proud of it. Apple was like the only person on the boat. But now Apple is still there, and many other companies introduced this technology and mastered it. Instead of joining Apple on that boat, they made their own spacecraft and flew in space. After Apple's Siri, one of the big names, Alexa, joined the AI assistant party, and then there came Google Assistant, Samsung's Bixby, Xiaomi's iAssistant, and so on. But in many cases, the latter ones have beaten Apple's Siri. Today's world is of AI. Companies are investing millions of dollars in artificial intelligence. It can create desired images. It can generate songs. It can even do your homework now. And it's getting more advanced day after day. But where's Apple in this race? Apple is still happy with changing its camera lens position and calling it a revolution. When other competitors came into this field, everyone thought Apple would rule this again with new updates and features and make other such technologies shut down their business. But it has even lost to other AI assistants which were made years after it. Apple should make Siri advance. Everyone knows Siri sucks many times. So it means Siri is trash? No, that's not what I am trying to say. Siri is smart enough to answer your questions or assist your daily routines, but not smart enough to give others tough competition. So I hope Apple will understand today's AI needs and apply those incredible features to Siri and introduce other AI features in coming iPhones. But there isn't only Siri or AI that can be a reason for iPhone 15 failure. There are some other reasons too. Firstly, iPhone 15 was trending due to its upcoming amazing features, including the solid-state volume and power button. Even this channel also covered a video on that. But there is an issue with the upcoming solid-state button in iPhone 15. Seems like we are getting that old buttons and concepts used for long. Apple analyst Ming-Chi Kuo confirms that there are some technical issues with upcoming solid-state buttons, so we might not be getting that on iPhone 15. Another major con of the iPhone that no one notices is iPhone's display refresh rate. Standard iPhone models still have a 60 Hz refresh rate. Getting a 60 Hz display at this price is like a frivolous affair. If we talk about Apple's one of the biggest competitors, Samsung, its phones have 120 Hz displays now, whether you buy a flagship phone or any simple phone. Every year, Apple releases a few features on the iPhone which are not even that important for most people, and other smartphones have already introduced those features into their phones, and then we start waiting for the next iPhone model, assuming that Apple will release something new and different this time. But still, we are waiting for something spicy from Apple. Just like the Dynamic Island, recently released in iPhone 14 Pro models. But no one knows what happens next. Apple might surprise everyone with the release of the iPhone 15, just like it did when Siri was released. Or we just see a new camera lens position and call it a big upgrade. This is it for today. I hope you liked the video. Give this video a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more interesting videos. Also, check the link in the description and enjoy the amazing discount. Thanks for watching.